स्वर्णिम विजय मशाल को प्रज्वलित करते हुए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री। स्वर्णिम विजय मशाल फ्लेम ऑफ ग्लोरी यहां से चारों दिशाओं में भेजी जाएंगी। वॉर वेटरन्स, युद्ध के वयोवृद्ध विजेता इस मशाल को थामे हुए
The Swarnim Vijay Missile arrived at Army Training Command, Simla, and then on behalf of HP 7 Koi NCC Group, Simla, Commanding Officer Colonel Sunil Sankta received the Swarnim Vijay Missile on 22nd October 2021 on Friday in the camps of St. Edward's School, Simla, along with NCC cadets from different schools, colleges, and APD Simla University. NCC Group Commander Brigadier Manoj Khanduri, the chief guest of the occasion, laid wreaths and paid tributes to the valiant war heroes of Indo-Pak War of 1971 for their sacrifice, which led to the creation of the Bangladesh in 1971. The chief guest, Brigadier Manoj Khanduri, honored the family members of the martyrs and the heroes of 1971 war during this occasion.
बलिदान दिया और मरणोपरांत उन्हें शौर्य चक्र से सम्मानित किया गया। श्रीमती शकुंतला देवी पुलवामा जिले के पंबोर, जम्मू कश्मीर में आतंकवादियों के विरुद्ध की गई कार्यवाही में अपना सर्वोच्च बलिदान दिया और मरणोपरांत उन्हें शौर्य चक्र से सम्मानित किया गया।
The NCC cadets showed their joys over this occasion and presented colorful cultural programs.
This day is for the Indo-Pak War of 1971 was a military confrontation between India and Pakistan that occurred during the Bangladesh Liberation War in East Pakistan from 3rd December 1971 to the final fall of Dhaka on 16 December 1971. Now, of course, the war it was started by Pakistan when they launched aerial attacks on our air bases. So that started the hostilities between us. And finally, we were on the part of the Bengali Nationalist Forces, engaging with Pakistan both on the Western Front and on the Eastern Front. And 13 days after the war started, India achieved a clear victory. And as you can see from the photograph behind me, the Eastern Command of the Pakistan military signed the instrument of surrender in Dhaka on 16 December 1971, forming a new nation of Bangladesh from what was East Pakistan. Now the 1971 war is what we are focusing on, and that's why it's the Swarn Vijay Vash Mashal. 50 years since we won this great war, which lasted for 13 days. It left nearly 8,000 Pakistanis killed, about 3.5 Indian soldiers. The biggest thing was that the war ended with the surrender of nearly 93,000 Pakistani soldiers. This is the largest surrender by any army in the world after the Second World War. The Indian Army brought the Pakistani army to its knees and freed 75 million people of Bangladesh. I think we almost had 10 million refugees at that time. Most of you sitting here definitely were not born during that time, so it's very good to remember and to understand how important it is that our nation has taken part not only in our own freedom struggle, but in ensuring peace and justice in our neighborhood. Now, on 16 December, the Indian Armed Forces, with their indomitable courage and valor, made a historic change on the world map, protecting the universal values of human freedom. This gallantry, inscribed with golden letters in history, will continue to make every Indian proud and is taught in all military colleges in the world as a classic example of a decisive military victory.
Commanding officer Colonel Sunil Sankta elevated the Swarnim Vijay Misal with military honor to its destination.